If your specific goal is to cover a window looking for the most privacy, there's a number of window coverings you can do, but more importantly, we suggest layering your window coverings. You can put one particular type of window covering at the window, whether it's a blind, a fabric shade, or a shutter, but then you can also come back and cover that with an operable drapery. You could take any type of shade to put on the window. You can use a sheer shading that allows light, allows you to be able to see through, but softens the light. And if you really need that full privacy all the way around, we highly recommend covering it with a window drapery, something that's operable, that's mounted above your window, all the way across your window, and of course on each side of your window that covers all available space for anybody to see in, for any amount of light to come in, or any type of temperature blocking that you want to do. These draperies can be paired with any window covering, a shutter, a window shade, a standard blind, or you can use a drapery by itself for maximum privacy to open or close and give you the best coverage all the way around your window. We work with a lot of clients on daytime privacy and nighttime privacy, and one of the most important things to understand is that it depends on which side of the window the light is on. If the light is outside and it's dark in your home, you're going to be able to see through your windows with a sheer type of shading, or with the window open and see outside, but people can't see inside. However, if that were reversed at night, let's say it's dark outside and it's light inside your home, we have to be very sensitive as to what kind of window treatments we put in your windows and what level of privacy you're looking for. Many semi-opaque fabrics that allow light to filter through can also conversely allow you to see shadows on the inside of your house when it's dark outside and light inside. If we need more privacy than that, we always recommend going with a room darkening fabric or an opaque fabric that doesn't allow any light to go through it. That will block general shapes, shadows, and any type of detail you're looking to block. One of the window coverings that we really try to ask people to stay away from if they're looking for privacy, especially at night, is a screen style shade. A screen style shade is intended to utilize the light to block the glare, but also to see through it. So if it's dark outside and light in your house and you use screen shades to block it, you're going to be able to see through those screen shades. However, during the daytime, you would not be able to see into your house through those screen shades, because the light's outside and it's darker inside your house. So you could actually see outside easier through a screen shade. So those are kind of a tricky one depending on what type of privacy you want and when you want that privacy.